Build your own heavy-duty crates in 60 minutes using our fixture and clips. Cut the plywood free of charge at Home Depot or Lowe's and load it into your car. For larger 8-foot crates, rent a truck for $20. Use our fixture and make clip pockets and shave edges in about 30 minutes. This fixture can be used to make hundreds of crates. Assemble by putting the panels together and snapping the clips. It is that easy. You can make the box and assemble it on the trailer itself. Put on the side panels before loading. Close the crate. You have now loaded a heavy crate without a forklift onto the trailer. By using our fixture, you can build a 4 cubic meter crate for $225, saving you $692. Save the environment. Reuse your shipping and storage crates. Don't let it go into the landfill. Plywood is sustainable. We plant a tree for every crate we sell. After use, you can remove the clips, disassemble the panels, and store it without taking much room. Just about 30 minutes to reassemble. Call or email for more details.